So card scraper magic. That's what I entitle this seminar as, is magic, because I tell people it's kind of like my parlor trick. I can put a burr on something and make a nice shaving with a scraper, and people are just, oh my goodness. It it's a trick to put those on. Yes, Mitchell, let the magic begin. And it really is a trick. It took me years to come up with a method that really worked for me. And I I fought with it for years because I was missing one essential part. And when I got my card scrapers originally, this is 40 plus years ago, um, I got them from Woodcraft back when Woodcraft was, I had a little catalog that had about 20 pages in it. And it was revolutionary because me being in central Minnesota, I could all of a sudden get tools that just weren't available anywhere else. And one of the things I got was a card scraper, and it was a Sandvik card scraper. They had one card scraper, and I'd read about them. So I ordered a card scraper, and boy, right out of the bag, I got a burner on it, and it worked really well. And it took me literally years to get back to that.